Hey everybody! Maybe you have looked at the slides and are confused about how to make a chart, or you've rewatched the class recording and are still confused about how to make a chart. No problem. Lots of technology going on here, so let's just look at another simple way to make a chart. We're going to go to docs.google.com. There's many other ways to get there, right? You can also go to chemeketa.edu and go to My Chemeketa or eLearn and go to your email through there. But if you're already signed in, to your Chemeketa email account, then you can just go to docs.google.com and it will take you to your Google document page where you can see all of your old Google documents. You can start a new one by clicking this plus up here on the top left, and you have a new Google document. So if you're using Google Docs for your vocabulary journal, you probably already know how to do this. If you've already started your document for your survey, great, you know how to do it. And just as a reminder, to do that, we're going to be inserting a table, right? And then we're also going to be inserting, and that's where your survey will be, you'll write a few sentences. And then you'll also be inserting a table or chart. So there are a couple ways to do that. You can draw one on paper, take a picture of it, and then go to insert an image. You can make one on a website. There are website links on the homework assignment, and that's where you put in your numbers and it makes one for you. And then you save it to your computer. It will save as a picture or an image, so that you again go to insert image and find it on your computer, upload from computer. But another way is just to go to insert and chart. I think column is maybe one of the easier ones, but you can do pie if you want. Line or bar, your choice. And here we go. We see that it has inserted a chart. Now, of course, this is not my information. These are not my numbers. These are not my labels here. So what I need to do is click on this, and I'm going to go to this arrow here. This will take me to what is like an Excel sheet. It's the Google Sheets. And we go to open source. So arrow and then open source. We click on that. And here you'll notice these are the same labels. And these are the same numbers, right? Team 1, 2489. We look back here, Team 1, 2489. So, okay, we realize these are the same numbers. And if we change the numbers here, it will change the numbers on the document. So this means I need to look and see, okay, Team 1, 2, 3, 4, well, those are on the bottom. I can add more if I want to. Period 1, period 2, well, those are the two different pieces of information. Maybe you just want one piece of information. You can delete period 2. And then you notice you have 0 through 100 here. But that's because our maximum here is 89. So you can change that as well. So let's see. Maybe I say, what do I say? Maybe I want to say men and women. Maybe I want to divide this by gender. You might add a third gender as well, right? You might say other. And maybe I want to, and then what are these groups? How about average age? And so this is where you put in your information, right? Wants to go to live in Oregon or something like that. And so you plug in all of your information here. You notice this has changed, average age. Let's say the average age of men is 56 and the average age of women is 42, the people you talk to. You'll notice here that the numbers changed. And now to finish, we go back here to our document. Of course, you've named your document, you've done all the other things, and you click this button that says Update. And that will sync it, and it will allow the new titles, the new numbers, the new everything to line up here and kind of sync. So that is one of the ways that you can put a chart into your Google document. I know that there may be some confusion. We'll talk about it the next time we meet, which will be on Thursday. And please let me know if you need any help by email. I might be a little slow to get back to you this week, but I will get back to you. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Good luck. You'll be great.